description for sweets or candies. And so it's very pretty, I think. It's all cursive. It's all pretty. There's a welcome note. Welcome New Year. Very pretty. I can show you. Okay. There's 4 of these, I guess. The first thing is peanut brittle covered in chocolate. I'm not too sure about what peanut brittle is. So the company is Zingerman's Candy. Chocolate covered peanut brittle. What's peanut brittle? Okay, so we'll try this first. Ooh, it smells good. Smells like peanuts. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, that's delicious. It's like caramel. So good. I'm gonna put that away so Simon. Do you like it?
Not really.
I think it's good. So the second thing I saw was a kitchen sink bar. I'm confused already by the name. So it's from Mayana chocolate, and inside of it is peanut butter, pretzels, crispy rice, caramel, and dark chocolate. I mean, literally all things I like. Oh wow, it's huge! Oh my god, look at this thing! There. It's there. Stop. I'm not too happy that it's dark chocolate. I think it would have been better if it was just milk chocolate. So I'm gonna take the first bite, guys.
Okay.
That's good. I like it. I mean, it's huge. I mean, it's that thick. And half of it's just caramel. Okay, so that's a yes for me. Because that's good. Delicious. No. The next thing is caramels. Ooh. You say caramel or caramel? Caramel. I say caramel. Annie B's caramels. Caramels, whatever. So this one's original, and this one is black raspberry. That's an interesting flavor. So I'm gonna try the original first because I'm kind of scared about that one. Okay, this is taking forever, so I'm just gonna bite. It's really good. Like it?
I feel like I've had something like it, and the thing I don't like, and I don't really like.
So the next thing is the same brand, but it's black raspberry, which is very interesting, saying that I didn't know caramel could have different flavors. It's not that bad. It tastes really good. That's good. I like that. That's a thumbs up for me. Look at it. So this is Dave's Sweet Tooth, which is the brand, and it's milk chocolate toffee. It looks like chocolate with nuts in it and some kind of stuff on top. See? Ready?
They look like
set,
eggs.
go. Oh my god. That's delicious. Wait. That's delicious, yeah. Yeah.
I'm this, but kind of this.
You really are. Good. What was your favorite? It's hard because all of them have chocolate and caramel. And this one was really good. That was The regular one was good. So was this one. And then this one was good also. I thought Treatsy it gave us really nice stuff. I mean, saying that it gave us chocolate and caramel, I mean, that was pretty nice. I would recommend this. Simon, stop. I think he would recommend it, saying that he's trying to eat the kitchen sink bar. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe somewhere, comment down below, subscribe wherever that's gonna be. Follow us on social media such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. Thank you guys for watching, and bye. No.
You know what? That smells exactly like I think Jennifer Aniston smells.
Really?
Yeah. It's kind of like beachy,